Hi, and thank you for joining me at the Financial Spotlight. I'm Shantrell, here to give you financial tips and tricks as you go on your road to know your money better. So today I'm coming to you with a little tip that I like to use to get free money. And I put the quotes up when I say free money because I look at free money as something that I don't have to do a lot of work to do. So I can either put an application in and get the money later, or I can spend money like I usually do and I'll get money back, or something of that nature. So I have four different ways that I use to get free money, and I'm going to share them with you. The first way is to apply for unclaimed property or look for unclaimed property under your name. And that would be by going to your state controller's office website, and you would type in your name and possibly your city. Sometimes you have to put your date of birth or previous addresses that you lived at, and you would be able to see if there's any unclaimed money out there for your unclaimed property. If it is, you can put in an application or a form and request that money to be mailed to you or to be deposited to you, however you see fit. The second way is by using the multiple applications or apps that you can download onto your phone to get money back when you go shopping. So that would be Rakuten, which is previously Ebates, Ibotta, Dosh, Dosh, and there are many others that you can use. Also, I have a PayPal account and I have a business PayPal card. And what you can do also with your business PayPal, they will give you 1% back on all of your purchases on your card. So that's another way that's not necessarily joining anything, but it's like a rewards program that they offer. You can also get that sometimes with your credit cards and also from different stores that you have the cards for. They will also offer rewards or money back. So look into that and to see if you can get money back from those type of cards that you might have. The third way I like to get free money is by applying for settlements. So there are a few settlement websites out there, but I only use one usually because I know that they are organized and they have it by date. They have it also by the ones that have closed. They show you if your check has been mailed out or not. And I prefer to get the checks sent to me as opposed to getting direct deposits or cards or whatever. I just feel a little bit more comfortable with getting the checks. So what I will do is put that link in the description box so that you know exactly what website I use to apply for these settlements. And there could be settlements for various things, and you just have to fill out the application or the claim, and then if you qualify for that settlement or for that lawsuit, then they will send you a check. I get checks that vary in range from say $7 all the way up to $200. So it all depends on the actual lawsuit that you are putting in a claim for. But that is a way to, sometimes money just comes in the mailbox. Sometimes I really, really need something and money will just show up in my mailbox and I'm like, hey, I can go ahead and cash that. And that's another way I get free money. And the fourth way that I can talk about getting free money is by putting your savings or your money into a high yield interest savings account. And that could range from 1.65% all the way up to 3%. It depends on what your bank has, what type of savings accounts your bank has. You can also put it into a CD account that's going to grow over a year's time or more. And then that's basically virtually free money, or money that you're getting for free because you're not really doing anything to earn the money. The money is just growing because you have put it into the savings account and you let it sit there. So I hope these ways of getting free money have helped you. If they have, please share this video with your friends and family. Go ahead and like my video and also subscribe to my channel so that you can get more financial tips and tricks from me every Tuesday here at the Financial Spotlight. Thank you so much for joining me, and you have a good one.